Place the blender jar by always using the front right side of the handle towards the precision control knob. Make sure that it is fully seated in the base. Place the ingredients into the jar. Add liquids first, then soft foods, then leafy greens, and ice or frozen items last. Do not fill the blender jar past the topmost measurement mark. Only place 40 ounces maximum of hot liquid into the jar. Firmly secure the lid and twist the lid center cap onto the lid to lock it in place before blending. Press the on-off button, and from there either select one of the preset functions or rotate the precision control knob clockwise for variable speed. To use the pulse function, simply turn the dial counterclockwise. When turning the precision control knob to pulse, it allows you to manually control short bursts of high-speed blending. It is recommended to operate only on speed 1 while blending hot liquid or food. When finished, turn the blender off by pressing the on-off button. Unplug the blender before removing the blender jar. Important: allow the blender to fully stop before removing the lid, the blender jar, or pouring out your blended ingredients. Note: for variable speeds from 1 to 10, the blender will stop automatically after 3 minutes of runtime. For preset recipe programs, the blender will automatically stop blending once the cycle is complete. Note: the precision control knob should be turned to the detent position when using preset functions. During the preset function operation, turning the precision control knob can change the preset function to manual control. The ice crush function has been optimized to crush and chop ice without adding any liquid ingredients. Tip: use half of a standard ice cube tray or 7 to 8 standard ice cubes at a time for blending. Clean the blender and accessories thoroughly after every use. To avoid scratching the blender, do not use abrasive cleaners or scouring pads. Remove any remaining contents from the jar. Fill the jar halfway with warm water and add 1 or 2 drops of dishwashing liquid. Place the blender jar on the base. Make sure the blender jar is fully seated in the base. Secure the lid on the jar. Press the clean function and run the blender for 15 seconds of cleaning. Remove the blender jar, empty the contents, and rinse with warm water. The lid and lid center cap can be cleaned in the top rack of a dishwasher. To clean the blender base and cord, unplug the blender before cleaning. Wipe clean the base and the cord with a warm, damp cloth and dry with a soft cloth.